Hello everyone, want to delete your chat history in the Chatgpt app? I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. First, open the Chatgpt app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in and on the main chat screen. Now, tap on the two horizontal lines located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu. Next, scroll down and tap on your profile, which is located at the bottom of the menu. Here you will see several options. Look for data controls and tap on it. Now find the option that says clear chat history and tap on it. A confirmation message will pop up. To proceed, tap clear chat history again, and just like that all your previous conversation will be deleted. Once you delete your chat history, you can't get it back. So make sure you don't need any old conversation before clearing them. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.